Hello, my dear student of CBSE Board Aspirant 2026. This is Suraj Anand, chemistry teacher, chemistry wala Anand sir. Today I am going to teach you the chapter number 3, the next topic, metals and non-metals, refining of metal. We are learning, first of all, wish you happy Chhat Puja, and this is 4 days of celebration. This is third day. We give the arc today on the evening. In the evening, and beware and be careful and celebrate the Chhat Puja with lots of happiness and prosperity, and give all your demerits to the Surya Dev of your life, and pray that God gives me success in the board examination 2026. So let's start the topic, chapter number 3, metals and non-metals, class 10th, refining of metals. This is very important topic. This is very important topic for this session, for this 2026 board examination. So the refining of metals, the metal obtained after extraction from the ore. The metal must obtained after the extraction of, often associated with a small amount of various impurities. The metal obtained by the extraction of ores by the various amount of impurities, the presence of these impurities changes the useful properties of metal. So we have to be refine the metal to overcome of these impurities. Therefore, these impurities must be removed to get the pure metal. The process of purifying a metal is called the refining. So we say the process of purifying a metal, the process of purification of metal is called the refining. First one is we are discussing the electrolytic refining. There is electrolytic refining of copper. You can see the cathode and anode. Cu2 plus, there is a key, electron positive and electron negative. Acidified copper sulfate solution, this is a tank, and impurities anode mud. So how the process of electrolytic refining done? This is the most widely used method. This method is very useful and always used. The refining of impure metal. Many metals such as copper, tin, silver, gold, zinc, etc. are refined electrolytically by the electrolytic process to pass the electric current. This process is carried out in an electrolytic cell. That is which a block of impure metal is made the anode and thin stripe of a cathode. Made the cathode. The electrolyte is a solution of soluble salt of the same metal. On passing electric current, pure metal get dissolved from the anode and get deposited in the cathode. The soluble impurities go into the solution, whereas